sorry.
We want to stay, the fun don't end. Keep coming back again. Spin up. Don't worry, you'll find lots of time to fly with friends. With YouTubers there from all around, you'll fit right in. Can't control the grin. So this is what I started, and I played it for Kelly. And I don't know if you've ever been rejected by Kelly, but he's so
That sucks, Dennis. That song sucks. Try again. That's what I said.
Yeah, so
He cried.
So yeah, we're gonna try.
But he's back for more.
Mission. It was hard to take in all the view, but there was some detail missing, and I started wishing that I had someone there to talk to. But that's when I got the idea that I need to head west and meet up with the RSV crew. It was a few months out, and I was anxious, no doubt. My excitement, it was hard to contain. And though the daily grind whittled away the time, that event kept rattling around in my brain. But it was so far away, it was easy to say that the event would never come to show. Time is here and is very near, no more to now talk. Oh, I'm sorry, folks, I'd never make it to the show. And now the time is here and it's very clear we're more than ready to go. Just give me spin up, mister, you don't need to ask me why. Give me spin up, mister, give me spin up, mister. Spin up cause it's time to fly. No more cry.
Love it. Love it.
That's a collaboration. The good words came from this guy.
And the good music and good idea came from him. And by the way, if you've never seen Skinner, you never will because they're all dead. But all their brothers and cousins now play, and I saw them in May, and it was amazing. So there you go. So we're officially on lunch break. I think lunch is still coming in, so give those lovely ladies who are bringing our lunch in, my wife and daughter, a moment to finish up, and then go out and fly on the porch if you want to, grab a drink. We got sodas and drinks in the back, and thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dennis.
Appreciate it.